Here's Flyer Maker and Poster Maker app. So let's just install it and see how it works. You can easily create a flyer for your business on the go just from your phone. That's the main advantage of this app. You don't need to be a Photoshop expert to install all this expensive Photoshop, Adobe software, like learning all of that, spending 2 days on figuring out how to use layers and and then you can just easily and quickly create quite highly professional looking posters just in this app. Of course, they won't be looking entirely professional, but who knows? If you nail it out, I don't think you even need Photoshop for a small business. If you figure out how to use this app to make flyers. So let's just try it out. I really prefer Canva. You just have everything in one app, but sometimes you just want to start using this app. So you can just pick a template, like featured templates. It's not only quotes or simple text, it's anything like you just wanted to promote your small business, like handyman service. But of course, for some, you need to upgrade. So
Stay on top of
and
tax
for other
time
posters,
year-round.
you can just go here and then you can just proceed with just watching a quick ad. And then you can just tap edit in the bottom, and then what's new, you can add a link actually. And then, you can just tap to edit. So here you can just tap easily add a change text here. Okay. So then you can just edit any text. You can edit your phone number here. Shop name, you can just also edit it there. You can change date. And just tap save, for example. If you want to remove watermark, obviously you're gonna need to subscribe. So you have one-time payment option, $90, and then you have that app forever with all the future updates. Or you can upgrade for $30 yearly or $20 6 months. Or you can just try it out for 6 months, $6 per month. There is no there's no free trial, unfortunately. It would be really cool if there was at least 2-3 days free trial. So anyway, step save. And then with watermark, you can just easily save it. Then you can just export it as PNG, JPEG, PDF, or even as animation. Again, if you want a high quality, high resolution, you need to upgrade. But this is actually works pretty well, even with watermark. It just depends on your size of business and all of that. To post it on Instagram really quick, on TikTok, or just create some thumbnail somewhere, something like that. Just really quickly, you select from all of these templates and just post in there. You can see all of these templates available: business flyers, real estate, education, travel. Just all of this available here. You can create, you can explore, you can search through this, you can see your designs. A lot of settings, like a lot of buttons everywhere, and you can just
Stay on top of
also
tax
just
time.
complete your own design from scratch. So that's basically the idea. And you have all the resolutions here: Instagram, Pinterest, Instagram story, Twitter cover, Snapchat, YouTube thumbnail, LinkedIn background, LinkedIn cover, portrait, and then you just have all of that. So that's the idea. Hope it is helpful. That's how this app works. Try it out.